And I'm together with
Yuna. Today I got an iPad.
yeah. So today we will unbox the iPad. What model is this, Yuna? It is an iPad 8. If you see that one, and it is 32 gigabytes. And we have also a Dixel here, so to protect the iPad. But first, Yuna will unbox the iPad first.
Okay.
And maybe Ate will get a scissor, please.
Can you get me a scissor?
I think it's in the kitchen.
Wait, I want to. Okay, I can.
Yuna, you need
Wait.
to in the camera.
Wait, I need to try to get it.
Just wait.
I want to.
So this one.
No, I can do it. I am a kid, so I am. Yeah, I have.
Or Jillian.
Yeah.
Ya barikinim kan siya. Elera.
Why we need that? Do you want to do something to me? You can tell. Kada?
Yuna, du må gjøre sånn.
Kniven.
Du må være
Du
sånn.
tar en sånn stor kniv framför.
Sånn.
Nej, den är... Okej, ta vid den. So open this and I'll take that in. Why we can't get it the finally answer.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Come on. Go out of the box. Go out of the box.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, the brand new iPad.
It's a brand new iPad. Wow. What color? What color is that?
It's
Silver.
and
You show it in the camera. Yeah.
it's so cool. And now we're gonna do this.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the final answer.
So that's the iPad. Can I show it in the camera, Yuna?
Yeah.
So
I go on now. Go. You can do it. I gotta go now.
and we need to lad it. So ayan. The charger. So, ganyan lang siya. So, this one, i-charge muna namin. So, i-charge muna namin itong ay...
See, nice as you got this. That's so funny. It's so squishy. And it's so funny to do it.
So, you need to
Well, you need to
lad
go
this
in
one.
there. We're gonna take that out. Okay, bye!
Bye everyone.
We need to unbox this, mommy.
Yeah, we do it in another.
Mamma, hvor stor finger mamma har?
Ja, det är samma.
Oj, so many.
Bra, det blir snart. Och så wifi.
Det.
Ja. Och så password.
Where is
Där är norsk bokmål. Har du inte?
Kan man ska trycka på här?